So hello guys, it's your girl Selina Cooks. Welcome and welcome back to my YouTube channel guys. So today I'll be making cheese scones guys. Yeah, and for my ingredients I have all-purpose flour. Yeah, I have sultanas here. I love sultanas, so I'm going to use sultanas in my cheese scones. I have my milk here. I have my sugar. I have my flavor, coconut flavor. Then I have my margarine guys. So let's begin with the preparation. So guys, there's one thing I had forgotten. And my baking powder too. Yeah, this is one of the ingredients. So let's begin. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to measure my flour. So I'm going to save my flour. So I'll be using 4 cups. Yeah, 4 cups. Yeah, so like I said, I'll be using 4 cups of flour. So let me sieve my flour, just in case there's any dirty particle in my flour. Sieving my flour right here. So after sieving, I'm going to measure my baking powder. So for my baking powder guys, I'll be using 1.5 tablespoon. Yeah, 1.5 tablespoon of baking powder. So you can ask me questions, you can tell me anything, you can tell me stories. That's one. And a half guys. Yeah, that's 1.5 tablespoons of baking powder. That's enough guys. So I'm going to mix my baking powder with my flour. Yeah. Again, I'm using measuring spoons to mix. Yeah, I know I'm not serious. Then I'm going to measure my sugar. Guys, today I'll only be using like half a cup of sugar. Yeah, people see, right?
Yeah, you don't need to use a lot of
yeah,
sugar.
So I'm just going to be using half a cup of sugar.
Yeah.
So this is half a cup of sugar. Yeah, you see?
Yeah.
Half a cup. So guys, I've added my sugar in here. So I'm going to mix this. I'm going to mix my sugar, flour, and baking powder. Then, what I'm going to do now is I'm going to go in with my margarine. I'm going to use like 1 cup. So again, I'll approximate with my eyes. Yeah, I'll use my eyes. I'm going to approximate with my eyes. Let's approximate with my eyes. Yeah, so that's 1 cup. You know, I'm a chef, so I know 1 cup by approximating with eyes. So that's 1 cup, guys. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to rub in my margarine with my flour, baking powder, and sugar. Yeah. So this is how we rub in. I hope you're seeing what I'm doing. This is rubbing in. Yeah, this is rubbing in, guys. I'm going to rub in into a sandy texture. Yeah. What I'm trying to achieve here is a sandy texture. Okay. A sandy texture. So let me go in with both of my hands and rub in. So this is how we rub in. So guys, this is the sandy texture I was talking about. You see, this is the sandy texture. Yeah, rubbing in. When you hear about rubbing in, this is what
It
we
means.
call rubbing in. This is what it means. Rubbing in. Yeah. So guys, now I'm going to go in with my milk. For teaspoons, I'm not going to use any eggs. Just go in with my milk. Yeah. Yeah. And remember, you're not supposed to knead it like chapati dough or mandazi. No? Guys, this is a teaspoon straw, so you have to be gentle. Yeah. What you're trying to achieve is just a dough. Yeah, you have to be gentle with teaspoon straw, guys. You have to overwork your dough.
So what will happen if you overwork your
You don't need
dough?
to overwork your dough.
What
That's
will
how it
happen?
is. That's the only explanation I can give. So guys, so here's my teaspoon still. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to fold in my dried fruits. And I'm not going to use many, just a few of these dried fruits. Yeah, I think that's enough. What I'll do is just folding in like this, just mixing the dried fruits with the dough. Yeah. This, my teaspoon dough is ready. I've already added my dried fruits in. Yeah. So guys, I'm rolling out my teaspoons dough. Yeah, so let me cut my teaspoons. They are too small, guys. Rockets who wanna rockets. So guys, we're going to put our dough into the greased baking tin. Yeah. Maji utafuta hata nafasi haitakuwa. Unaenda kufuta by the way. Guys, before you bake these, you can milk wash or egg wash. So I've egg washed mine. So I'm going to bake this in the oven right now. Wow, guys, I love how my cheese scones came out. They have a good color, they are delicious. So, guys, go try this recipe in your homes and tell me what you think about this recipe in the comment section, guys. Yeah, and thank you so much for watching this video. And for those who haven't subscribed to this channel, kindly consider subscribing. Bye, guys.